Hi, it's me with laser tips and tricks, and I shared this file a couple of weeks ago on my Facebook page, and I didn't want to put this on Facebook in case I gave this to my daughter for Christmas. It's 24 inches tall, and it came out really well. I've got it on a turntable that I bought from Amazon for photographs. But I've shared the file. Feel free to use it. It's under Corel File Share. All you have to do is go to my page and hit files, and it's right there. I've actually saved it in X3 for more people to use. And when you open it up, that's what it's going to look like. Now I have a big laser, so the bed is 40 by 28. This thing is 36 3/4 by 18. You could, and I've got several videos on how to make this. You know, you could move some of these parts around. The advantage with the way I've drawn this is that each of these are individually lines. So the laser just cuts straight lines and then goes back. So it doesn't have to cut everything twice. It'll probably save 60% of the time by doing that. That's the way it looked like when it was in the laser. So it's just cutting lines and then going back and cutting the circles. So if you do get this file, I used a 3/8 inch dowel. You might want to adjust that, and there's a picture of the tree in the dowel as it's laying out. There's 96 of them. Anyway, I think that's right. That doesn't sound right, but there's quite a few of them. So I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching. I know it's after Christmas, but cut it out for next year. I just put a little bit of paint on, a little bit of glue on the dowel. I mean, just very little when I was spreading them apart. Made sure everything was right. And then if you paint it, I primed it and painted it, and the paint is going to hold it from collapsing. It'd be neat to collapse it and put it away, but you couldn't really paint it and do that unless you painted each piece individually. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.